Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a pink lookbook for the 45 days of pink. In case you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, over on my Instagram, which is just at Kellyprepster, I am doing a challenge where I wear pink for 45 days. It is going on until the end of July. I seriously could wear pink every single day and be so content. It's just such a happy color and it's one of my favorites. So I thought it'd be fun to share another video sharing a few more pink outfits. So I hope you guys enjoy. In case you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And let me know in the comments down below which outfit's your favorite, because I would love to know. But let's just get right into it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. In case you guys are new to my channel and haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite. I do respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. And I'll see you guys very soon with my next one. Bye guys!